everyone! Let me introduce myself. My name is Isma Pratiwi from class 12 MIPA 2. And here I will show you how to make assembly cable socket. Please watch this video carefully, friends. Prepare the required. The first step to installing your own electrical terminals is to prepare the necessary materials. 1. Electrical terminal. 2. Power cable. 3. AC power block. AC power socket. Prepare equipment or tools to assemble electrical terminal. Second, the tools needed to install electrical terminal. 1. Scissors or cable cutter or wire stripper. 2. Screwdriver. Assembling together and 3 cable electrical terminals. Now it's time to install the electrical terminals. Following are the steps. 1. Cut cable. Cut the cable according to your needs and strip both ends of the cable with scissors or wire stripper so that the copper wire is exposed. Two, open the electrical terminal cover. Unscrew the bolt on the electrical terminal cover housing using a screwdriver. For the position of the bolt on the electrical terminal that we use. Three, connect the cable. Connect the previously stripped cable to the socket provided, usually a hole secured with bolts or just a plate with bolts. Tutorial on how to assemble cables properly and correctly. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.